y'all see this wig though? Oh my gosh. Wig is so sexy. Oh my goodness. Y'all, do y'all see these curls though? Do y'all see the bounce? The bounce. The bounce. Y'all, straight out the package. If y'all want to know what wig I'm wearing, stay tuned. All right. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariana, Jasmine, with another one. Today I am going to be doing a wig review on this gorgeous beauty that I am wearing today. Oh, these curls, and I haven't even brushed them out, but I just don't want to because they are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So I know y'all wondering, what wig, Ariana, do you have on today? Because girl, I need to cop this, honey. I need to get this wig ASAP. Well, let me tell y'all, I know it's a little old wig. It's an old wig that's been out, okay, that I'm reviewing, but it's still affordable and it's cheap. The wig that I have on today is presented byAtre. Lace front, and it's in the number 2, and it's the Nisha, as y'all can see, it's the Nisha wig. And this is the wig that I have today. It has various colors that it does come in. So it comes in a 1B, a number 1, a number 2, 4, 1B 30, 430, DR 2730, DR 30, DR 425, and so forth. Y'all can check this out, look it up. But this is the wig that I have on, and I am wearing number 2 because I don't like really dark black hair. But this is the wig, and it is just gorgeous, y'all. Like, it's just gorgeous. And I'm gonna just run my fingers through it so y'all can see it does shed just a little bit. But it's to be expected because this is a synthetic wig, so it's to be expected. But this hair is just gorgeous. And I'm wearing it as a side part. It is it's an L-shaped wig, so it goes like that. I'm not sure if you can wear it in the middle or not, but you probably might not, I don't know, but this is a side part for sure. And I just love it. Do y'all see that? And this is, I'm 5'7", so it goes down to my belly. So it's about a 22-inch lengthwise, it's about a 22-inch. And it's just so beautiful, you know? Like, let me just show y'all the back if I can. And you probably might hear my daughter in the background, but yeah. Yeah, sorry, this mop. This mop is in the way. You see, and the shapes is so soft. Like, bitch, what? Who are you talking to? Like, yeah, this is it. So yeah, I bought this on Wix Types. If y'all want to know where I purchased it at, the description and the link will be down at the bottom. So yeah, I bought it on Wig Types. I bought 2 wigs that I will be reviewing. If you want to see the second wig that I bought, which is the Nisha 203, then go ahead and go into my bio, my profile, or channel, and you will see the second video for that. But yeah, this wig is everything. What I did to this wig, I did not pluck it at all. I felt like plucking it some, which I might just go in and pluck it just a little bit to kind of widen it up if I can. But other than that, I just left some hair in the front so that way it can blend in flawlessly and naturally. So you can't even tell, like, this is not my hair. And let me just get in a closer look for y'all to see. Like, you can't even tell. Now, yeah, my hair is not braided underneath, or else I would have like a safety pin to like tuck this down. And I could just put out some more hair and cover up the lace part. But other than that, you cannot tell this is not my hair. Very natural, very flawless, very tame. It's not big. I think they worked on this wig a little more because this wig came out in 2016. So yeah, I think they took everybody's comments into consideration about it being so big. But other than that, it is pretty nice and flawless. It's a thick, yucky texture type of wig, and it's silky textured. So yeah, go ahead and purchase, okay? And no, I paid my own money. This was not sponsored by them. Yeah, so if any other wig companies want me to review for them, just let me know. And I will do in my description bar. And then you'll be able to contact me through my email. If you haven't already, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Until then, share this video. And I'll be back in my next one. Peace. Bye.